It's not so much about using high technology for the sake of saying that you can use AI or blockchain, but it's about using the simplest technology possible to solve a problem. In the end, technology is just a tool, and what you're trying to do is figure out the easiest way you can get around problems that present themselves. Projects rarely die because they get too small, they usually die because they get too big. I have never seen a very, very good small app or small startup not be able to grow. I have seen lots of really, really big apps and big companies who are doing terrible jobs being unable to improve themselves, but there's never been a problem of doing something small really well and being unable to grow. You can add on more complexity later and you can grow bigger later, but you need to do something well first. You are going to fail, you're doing something new, you are learning a new skill, a new area, something's not been done before, and so fail fast and learn from them quickly. Don't try to avoid failure.